This is the video you're looking for. BEKO fridge. Where is the drain plug? Why is my fridge filling with excess condensation, water at the bottom, and the vegetables are going black? So without any nonsense, any silly music, let's show you what to do. Once you're in the fridge, two things. There is going to be the drain, that point there. So that we're going to take this cover off here. So there'll be two covers here and here. Just pop them out with a little screwdriver and we'll take this off. But just note, when you turn the light off, as in closing the door, the fan's not starting. So we've got two problems here. The fan's failed. £50, 50, 60 euro, or 20 if you search on Google, same fan and motor. So right, let's take this panel off. That's it. So just pulled forward, there's the panel, just pulls forward, unclips. You think it's not going to come, then it just pops out. You see that? So behind that there was that foam strip along there, and there's your drain plug. Right, so we'll just nip to the back there. So at the back, take off that cover. You can see the drain there. Take off that cover if you want, and that just unclips that little pipe, and you can stick a vacuum cleaner in it if you want, once it's clean. Back round the front here. Yeah, I think, yeah, that fan is dead. Yeah, so I'll just turn the power off from the fridge. That's going to pop out. Two screws and we'll pop a new one in. There's the old one gone. New one in, good as gold. Just remember this fan, when you put it back in, it looks like it'll fit both ways, but it doesn't. It kind of biases over to the right, which is central. If you look there, the fan's biased to the right, which then makes it central in the fridge itself. Otherwise you're going to be taking it in and out twice. So turn off the power again, and then we'll put this back cover on. Cover back on, two screws, and then put those little white caps back on. And that's it, finished. So you cleaned that, you cleaned out the drain which was behind, remember, and actually on this occasion we put a new fan in as well. Easy, no more condensation, no more water in the bottom, no more black vegetables. Thanks very much.